Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel where we talk about health and wellness and everything that has to do with it. My name is Joshua. For those guys who don't know me, my name is Joshua. I've been a nurse for the last almost 10 years. I've worked both in Africa and right now I'm based in the USA in a city called San Antonio. And today I want to talk about weight loss from my perspective as a nurse. What I've learned over the years, the trends that I've seen both in Africa and over here in the western part of the world. So if this message relates to you or to your loved ones, go ahead and like this, subscribe to this channel, and even share. And you can find me on my social handles. Josh Mogash is my name. So today I want us to talk about these are mine, what I've seen, my top 3 reasons why you need to lose weight today. Not tomorrow, not next week, not in 2026. Today. All right? Point number 1, it is your responsibility. Now, this is very serious. You know, we live in a time where we say, my life, my choice. And it's so easy to say that when we don't want to take responsibility, when we want to blame other things. But it boils down to your sole responsibility. It's not about your genetics. It's not about where you were born. We have to get to a point we sit down and say, nobody else is coming to do this for us. It is me. It is my responsibility. It is my fault. Until you get to that point, you will keep on blaming. You'll keep on blaming the foods available in the food store. You'll keep on blaming the economy. You'll keep on blaming your parents. You'll keep on blaming your background, how you are brought up. And that is the position I want you to move from. It is your sole responsibility. The reason as to why I say my body, my choice is a scam. It is a choice when you are healthy, when you're able to move around. But if you land in a hospital where you need somebody else, not necessarily in a hospital, or if you break a bone and you need someone else to take care of you, your choice stops right there. At that very point, it stops. Now somebody else has to come in to take care of you. And now when nurses have to reposition you in bed, when you are too heavy to even make a few steps, then you come to realize, whoa, this is way beyond about me. It is not just me. That's a selfish way to think about it. So it is your sole responsibility to take yourself seriously about your health today, not tomorrow. That's point number 1. Point number 2, the moment you lose weight, you improve your self-belief and you come off as an authority. Now listen to this. If you are walking down the street or if you're in a group of a meeting, then somebody tells, do you know I've lost 100 pounds in the last 3 months? Most of the times you will ask, how did you do it? People start to lean in when they realize you've done something so hard that most people don't, because it shows sacrifice. It shows a lot of responsibility, a lot of discipline, and people begin to lean in to see how you did it. And at that very point, you can even think about teaching someone or helping someone to lose weight, because it comes directly from you. You will start telling people what you actually did. And it doesn't stop there. It gives you this confidence that you can do anything else. You can get that job promotion. You can pass that exam. You can ace whatever thing you want, you can go for it, you can achieve it. So it goes beyond just your weight. It improves in almost every other aspect. So that's 2 points. Okay. Point number 3, the last one. Now is the easiest time. Today is the easiest. Do you know, as we are talking today, I'm the youngest I will ever be. Tomorrow I'll be older than today. So anytime you keep postponing, procrastinating, saying, right now I'm too busy with work. I'll start next year. Or right now, I'm too stressed. I have a lot going on. I have babies to raise. What you are doing is you are making it harder for yourself. Did you know that hesitation is a breeding ground for resistance? Anytime you hesitate doing something, your body develops a mechanism to resist it. So if you know that today I have a better chance of losing weight, why wait until next year? What is it that you're waiting for in the next coming month? Why can't you today decide? Start from your mindset. Why can't you just decide, I'm going to do 1, 2, 3? And if you don't know, why can't you seek help? Why can't you find out who around you can help you? Your friends? Do you have family members? Do you want to seek a coach to help you get to lose weight? What is the problem? You know? So today is the best time. And now, let me tell you, you can look this up. Studies have shown that you, by just being overweight or obese, you have 15% chances more of developing bed sores, bed, bed pressure sores, if you know what I mean. And since I moved from Africa to the US, I've noted that most patients in our facilities, long-term care facilities, they suffer from bed sores. It's a problem. Millions. It can be something, it can be something lands you in a nursing facility. Maybe you broke your leg or something like that, but you get or your leg heals, but you develop this pressure sore that takes forever to heal. And sometimes it can even kill you because now it exposes you to all these sources of infection. Now, what do we do? If you are in a position where you are like, yes, I know I need to lose weight, Josh, but where do I start from? Seek help. You can start by texting me. Go off on Facebook and text me and just shoot a text and say, I need help, because I can help you do that. If you don't know where to start from. If you have somebody else who can help you, go ahead and seek for help. But you need to do something today. Watch out for my next video, where we'll be talking more about this health and wellness from my perspective as a nurse of almost 10 years. Bye.